Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to connect Printful to TikTok Shop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to ensure that we already have an account here for both TikTok and Printful. Now, if you haven't done so, as you can see, there's a page here that you can easily sign up by providing your phone number or your email address, and you can even sign in with your TikTok account or your Google account. And once you have done that, you need to head over to your Printful account. Now you can simply click on get started if you haven't done creating your account here, or simply log in using your credentials. Now once you are successful logging in, as you can see, you can sell custom apparel and accessories in TikTok. All you're gonna do is create and sell products with your custom designs, while Printful take care of your fulfillment and shipping. And all you're gonna do, the red button here, click on the connect now. Now you will be directed to this page wherein you can have free access to all Printful tools. Just sign up with existing accounts to make it faster. If you have Facebook, Google, and Apple, you can click on it, or you can sign up with your email. Now you simply need to head over to your TikTok shop and log in using your credentials. Okay, so once you have successfully logged in, you need to go over to your dashboard in the left side of the panel. Now from here, you need to set up your warehouse first. Okay, because before adding any products, you need to set up your warehouse. Now here, all I'm gonna do is select my account and then select seller profile. Okay, again, from here in the left side of the dashboard, click on my account and then click on seller profile. Now, once you are in the seller profile, you would be able to check on the options at the upper right. There's like an account information, seller information, business information, brands, and warehouse pickup and return address. Now click on it, because from here, say for example, if you are in the US, you need to use Printful's US facility address, which is Steel Point Industrial Park, 11-1201 Ed Brown Road, Unit A, Charlotte, North Carolina. And if you are in the UK, you can use Printful's UK facility address, enter 21 Headway Road, Wolverhampton, WV10 SPZ. And again, you can create a shipping template on TikTok Shop. From there, what you need to do is, again, we need to go over to the left side of the dashboard. You can check on under orders, there's shipping, and click on shipping options. Okay. Okay, so in case you are lost during the whole navigation process, I suggest you go here in the Printful guide, wherein you can connect your TikTok store to Printful. Basically, I'm already logged in. As you can see, here's my account. And again, step one is register and set up your account. We already done that. We already done step two, setting up our warehouse, because again, before adding products, we need to set up the warehouse in your TikTok shop dashboard. Under my account, select seller profile, warehouse, pickup address, and add a pickup and return address. And we have mentioned earlier, these are the pickup and return addresses for both US and UK. And if you want more information, you might want to head over here to the Printful's guide. And again, you need to create a shipping template on TikTok shop. Just head over again to your your TikTok shop dashboard. And if you're still following, under my account, select shipping templates, and click add a new shipping template. And you can click it here on the step-by-step instructions to help you with the setup process. Now, to use your templates for Printful, you would be able to fulfill incoming orders, and you need to unselect both of the shipping options provided by the platform. Say for example, it's going to be express shipping and standard shipping, right? And again, to authorize their Printful app, all you're going to do is click the button below to connect the Printful app to TikTok. Either You authorize US. If you are in the US or if you are in the UK, click on authorize UK. When you click authorize US, you will be directed here in the seller center. And all I'm going to do is click on these options. Is it North America seller or United States? Now click on next. And after doing so, it's the same process if you click on authorize UK, Europe seller, and United Kingdom, and click next and then follow the on-screen instructions. And now with that being said, you can link several TikTok accounts to your store so that your products can reach a wider audience. And one shop can have one official account representing your TikTok shop and up to 4 marketing accounts to bring more exposure to your products. And again, all your products will be showcased on the official account, and you can add product links to videos and live streams on your marketing account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.